Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you a very quick and simple project. It's a cute little post-it note gift. There are lots of these doing the rounds on different social media platforms, but I am also very aware that we do have a lot of people that are only just starting crafting or are new to crafting and want simple little projects and don't want to necessarily trawl through everybody's YouTube pages or anything like that. So I just figured bring a few basics back just to show the new people how easy they are to make. As I said, it's just a little tiny post-it note covered with a bit of card. It's really simple. Now I'm going to apologise that I've only just noticed I haven't actually written this down in centimetres. I do apologise. I can put excuse me. I can put the centimetres on my blog. I just don't have them with me today. So a little post-it note here, piece of cardstock. So this is pale papaya. This one is polished pink. And you are simply going to need a piece of card that is 2 inches by 3 5/8. And on the long side, we're going to score at 1 5/8 and 2 inches. Simple as that. Excuse me. Give that a fold and a burnish. Simple, simple. Then we're going to add some DSP. So the beautiful expressions in ink that will be retiring very soon. So you need a piece for the front that is 1 7/8 by 1 1/2 inches. And then this delightfully little slither piece here that is 1 7/8 by 1/4 of an inch. Super tiny. Silly cough is driving me crazy. Okay, simple. Then on the back of your post-it, again add some more adhesive, and then I'm going to lie it down, fold it as you would a book, so like it's 90 degrees, push, make sure you've got it the right way, and then push it in against that fold there. Excuse me, fold your top over and then just check the sides are square, and there is your little notebook. Now you can add any decoration that you want to this. I have some of this lovely gold shimmer ribbon that I'm going to use just to pull out the gold that's in this lovely DSP. So I'm going to use my tear and tape because it's perfect for that. So I'm going to measure my post-it note because I know that it's 2 inches wide. Can't grab my pencil. I know it's 2 inches wide, so my 1 inch mark just there, so I know where the centre is for my ribbon, and the same on the back here. And then just in with my tear and tape centrally over that line. And it's better to do it like this because if you do it when it's flat, so if you do it when your thing is flat, it may very well buckle when you come to fold it up. So I find it better to do it once it's folded. And then I'm just going to cut that end off just to keep it tidy really. Press that down. Then I want a straight edge on my ribbon. And just take the backing off, bring in my ribbon. In fact, what I think would be a better idea would just be to fold the edge over slightly, and that will just stop the edge of the ribbon fraying. And then you can line it up on your tear and tape. And again, I'm just going to cut there, maybe a little bit less, And then when I bring this piece down, again I'm just going to fold the end over here. It's a little bit fiddly, but it's worth it. Fold this over just to stop the edge fraying. Come on now. Trying to line the edge up. There we go. That's it. And then you have your lovely little post-it, and then I just have some basic white here, some pale papaya, my artistically inked stamp. I'm just going to go with that hello sentiment because I think that's quite cute. Stamp it onto this little tiny piece of basic white. And then, just with some of our lovely paper snips, I'm just going to go round and trim around the word, just so that it's not square really. Just adds a little bit of something extra, I think. And then again a couple of our mini dimensionals on the back, and then just sit it across your ribbon. And you can add any other embellishments or anything you want, but how cute are they? Thank you for joining me, and hope to see you all again soon.